quick reading again today from a book that I've been reading consistently of in other videos you may or may not be interested in, called the Liber Hymnus Psalmno. It's written in 1962 originally, published by Aleph Cunard Cambron, an organisation no longer with us, but all the copyright goes to them. Originally compiled by the bard Talek Goodwin. So I thought I would read today out of the book Hymns and Psalms, Lo, the Eastern Sages Rise. There you go, you can see the text hopefully just about. I'll put it in the description as well. Yes, Lo, the Eastern Sages Rise, classic tune. I'm going to keep a different rhythm, I think, probably from what you might get it when you hear it sung, just because it's easier to try and get the rhythm of the words rather than the actual musical tune. Just so you can hear them spoken, really, out of interest. So there you go. Lo, the Eastern Sages Rise in Canuck, in the Cornish language. Tis fear how de hevel a sef, ortha weth the ortha nef, splana ees gem man splana, stelem Bethlehem ima, geu balam iniama, mia wallowa fisqua, all and stel guioniath bu, stel Bethlehem if you. Granny Sebalowanek, Wathiman Arweth Nebek, Gwelen Davith, Barliesu, Sterling Bethlehem Nephew. There you go, relatively short. I'll put the text in the description. That's it. I hope you have a lovely day.